Alright, good afternoon everybody, Eagle the Eagle here, and today we have DevLog 2 of Punchball. On DevLog 1, we created the ball spawner. We made it spawn randomly. We made them spawn balls one at a time. We got the balls to disappear after the game has been won, and we sort of made the ball stay in the frame. Now what we're going to be working on is making the timer system, and then programming it to where if you do not make a certain number of balls within the time allowed, the game will end. So let's go ahead and get it going. Alright guys, it took us a little bit to do it, but we actually got it working now. So now we have the timer system set up in our game, and we have it set up to where on game over, the balls will disappear. So now the last thing that I gotta do is fix the UI for the win segment, set up the UI for the restart, and then we'll see how everything goes. Alright, so as you've probably seen, I'm having a problem with the win function in the game manager. What I want to do is that when you win, just like, well, not, I wouldn't say just like, when you win, I want the timer to stop. So, I might have to make a new function in order to stop the timer, but we'll see. Alright, y'all, I'm actually going to take a little bit of a break here, get some coffee, wonderful, wonderful coffee, and get myself something to eat right quick, and then I'll get back to it. I think I'm on the right track here, getting the game component, the game manager, and getting the win function, and then having the timer stop. However, I will have to see, so see you guys later. Alright guys, so here's what's going on here. When I recorded this segment of the video, I either forgot to turn my mic on, or it was unplugged, or something happened. So I wasn't able to actually get what I was saying on here. But basically what happened here was that after the next day, and several hours of trying to figure out how to get the game what I wanted to do, which in this case was, if you didn't hit a minimum score when the time hit 0, show the game over text in button. But if you met or surpassed the minimum score, it would give you the you win and restart button. So I was trying to figure out different ways using like static text so I could access different variables across different scripts, and instances where I could access the entire script and whatnot. And then eventually I figured something out. So I already had the win function already set up to where if you won the game, if you got enough balls, it would show you the win. So I didn't need to add anything else for lose under it. As a matter of fact, I had to put it in the void update function so that way the code would check for it to see if those conditions were true every single frame. And if the conditions were true on a frame, in this case you didn't meet the minimum score and the timer hit 0, you would lose the game. So this is what's basically happening here. You see the game over just finished because I didn't hit enough balls in time. So yeah, this is the second devlog I've got done for you guys, and I am so excited to get this game going. The next thing I'm wanting to do is just adjust things a little bit, and then hopefully work on a couple more functions that make the game a little bit more enjoyable. So thank y'all for chilling with me. Have a great day.